JBL Quantum 100, 200 or 300. Which one would be perfect for you? Let's find out. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on these headphones, you can head to the first link down below in the description. So recently I posted the review of the JBL Quantum headphone series, and a lot of you guys wanted to see the comparison between these three headphones. So here we are today. In today's video we will be comparing all the three headphones in detail and conclude which one is best suited for you. First of all, let's do a quick unboxing and see what you can expect from the box. Here are the retail packaging of the headphones. Today we don't have enough time to read the box, but don't worry, we will discuss all the features in later part of this video. So let's unbox this. So here are the headphones sitting nicely inside the package. Here is a detachable mic with the Quantum 100. With the 200 and 300 we get one extra cable, that is the Y-splitter cable with the Quantum 200, and USB audio adapter with the 300, which is actually the main difference between the 200 and 300. So these are the headphones. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, and now let's move to the review of these headphones. Design and build quality. Starting with the design of these gaming headphones, I want to say that the Quantum 100 is a good design headset, but when compared to the 200, it feels way more cheap and less durable. Quantum 100 feels very plasticky and cheap. It feels like you're holding a poor quality headphones. On the other hand, the Quantum 200 and 300 feels much more premium and solid. Although all three devices are made out of plastic, but you can feel the difference in the quality of the product. Maybe I'm amplifying it too much, but I have all of them with me, so I can see the difference. But when you consider them individually, you won't mind it that much. Having said that, all three headphones are durable enough that you can use it every day. Me and my brother are using all the three headphones for the past 6 months, and we haven't faced any problem yet. One design change found on these headphones is the mute button. So to mute the mic on the Quantum 100, there is a mute button on the back of the headphone along with the volume slider. On the 200 and 300, to mute the mic, all you have to do is flip it up, which definitely is a better option of doing so. And as we are talking about the volume slider, when you turn this volume knob, it will only increase the volume of the headphones and not the volume of the device. So to get 100% of the volume, you have to turn both headphones and device volume to 100. Comfort and fitting. Now coming down to the comfort and fitting, you have to be very careful. You only want to pick a comfortable pair of headset. So in that sense, all three headphones are comfortable. We get memory foam on all the three headsets. But what I feel is Quantum 200 and 300 to be much more comfortable. Quantum 100 is little less comfortable for me, as they grab my head so hard that I can't bear them for more than 15 minutes. Maybe it's because of my big old head, but for me Quantum 200 and 300 are much more comfortable. Now on the fitting side, I don't find any of these headphones to be poor performing. All of them hold the head firmly and doesn't fall out even if you swing your head a little too hard. Features. Starting with the features of the Quantum 100, we get detachable boom mic. So if you don't use the mic too often, then you can detach it. Second, we get support for the Windows spatial sound on the Windows and Xbox, and that's it for the 100. Now talking about the 200 and 300, we have flip to mute mic. So if you want to mute the mic, all you have to do is flip it up. Second is the support for the spatial sound on the Windows and Xbox, and one additional feature you can get on the 300 has to do with the USB adapter. When you connect the headphones through the USB, first of all you will get some improvement over the sound quality, just a minute difference, as this device will work as a DAC, that is digital audio converter. So it will convert your digital audio from your computer to analog. So there will be some sort of improvement. And second of all, you can use the Quantum Engine app, from where you can set all kind of settings for the headphone like EQ presets, spatial sound and microphone gain. Although you can set these things in Windows, but you have all these settings scattered here and there. On the other side, with the app you can get all that in one place. Mic quality. Now coming down to the mic, all the three models have voice focus boom mic. Now on the Quantum 100 you can get the detachable mic, whereas on the 200 and 300 you get the flip up mic. The mic on all the three models are adjustable, that is you can bend them however you want. And to mute the mic, all you have to do is press this button on the Quantum 100, and on the 200 and 300 just flip it up. Anyways, talking about the actual quality of the mic, they sound fantastic, but instead of me talking, let me give you a quick audio test of the inline mic so you can judge by yourself. Here is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the JBL Quantum 100. And here is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the Quantum 200 and 300. Sound quality. Here comes the crucial part of these headphones, which is the sound quality itself. So talking about the driver size, we have 40mm driver on the Quantum 100 and a bit bigger 50mm driver on the 200 and 300. As the 200 and 300 have identical sound quality, I will only call both of these headphones as 200 for the sake of making this easier for you to understand. So on the actual sound quality, both Quantum 100 and 200 produces phenomenal sound quality. They have good spatial 3D sound, which makes it easy for us to identify the footsteps and play better. The sound quality is equalized in a way that it makes every detail crystal clear. On the bass side, 100 falls a little weak. The explosions, bombs, sound don't hit that hard, and the sound feels a little muffled when compared to the 200. 200 has better bass response and have bit more clarity. I mean, if you have the options to choose from, then you should definitely go with the 200 or 300. But if you're tight on budget, then you won't go wrong with 100 either. If you do end up picking up the Quantum 100, then one thing you can do to improve the experience is that you can use the equalizer to add more bass, which will make this sound better. Price. Talking about the price, you can head to the first link down below in the description to find the best deals. But for the price, these headphones are priced at 2,300 rupees, 4,000 rupees and 5,000 rupees for the Quantum 100, 200 and 300 respectively. So it's up to you which suits your budget. If you have the limit on the budget, you can go with the 100. If you can spare 1,700 rupees, then you can get the 200. Now I will say, just for the USB adapter, it's not worth spending extra 1,000 rupees. But if you do need that, you can get the 300. Anyways, that was from my side. Now it's up to you to choose, and please let me know which one you end up buying and how was your experience, so that everyone can make wise decision. And that's been it, guys. I guess I cleared some of the doubts. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.